Hello people of the web and YouTube, Didwick here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to install FreeMcBoot onto another memory card if you don't have a means of using swap magic or some other method to make a new fresh install of FreeMcBoot. Now with that said, of course this video will require you to already having FreeMcBoot, and we're going to use that FreeMcBoot installation to, install another copy of FreeMcBoot onto another memory card. Now with that said, the process of doing this is fairly simple. You'll need to download a FreeMcBoot installer package and drag the ELF files onto a flash drive. Now once you got the files on your flash drive, you could plug it into your PS2 as well as both the memory cards. But before I continue, as always, the download links for the files will be down below in the description. Anyway, back to the video. Once we have the files on our flash drive, we can boot up our PS2 and load into ulaunch.elf. Now from here, we gotta look for the FreeMcBoot installation package files and run that. Now from here, we will be greeted with a few options. One of the options will be install or multi-install. If you want to use this memory card on other PS2s, I suggest using multi-install, but if you have a PS2 with the hard drive, I believe you use the first install option for that. Anyway, just to show that this process works, I'm going to install a multi-install onto memory card 2. Anyway, since this is going to take some time to install, I'm going to explain what I'm going to do after it's installed. After I get the files onto the second memory card, all I'm going to do is turn off the PS2 and put in the second memory card, just to make sure that FreeMcBoot was installed successfully. And from there, I go under the configurator and change the colors, that way you guys could tell what memory card is what, and that way I could show you guys that it indeed is working. And if you don't have the time to test that the card's working, you can also go under the memory card browser utility, just the standard PS2 utility, and look through the files, and you should see a game save called FreeMcBoot. And if you see them files, then chances are the FreeMcBoot package is successfully installed to memory card 2. Anyway guys, that's basically it. From here you can do whatever you want to personalize your experience. In my case, like I said, I changed the colors as well as enabling the boot animation sequence. That way when the PS2 turns on, I get that nice little nifty boot up animation that you get when you have just a stock PS2. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I don't really need to explain how to update the apps and stuff that come in the package. It should be fairly simple. All you can do is drag the updated app ELF files on and launch them the same way we did as it came to installing FreeMcBoot, and that would be how you install new updated apps if you choose to. But yeah guys, like I said, I'm going to leave today's video off here now. I hope I was able to help some of you guys out, but for now, I'm going to go. DTBK, signing off. Peace. I got this because it's a cheaper EverDrive clone, and I wanted to test it to its limits. And from there, you can go down to share and just type in PS2 and then put username.